Hello, doctor. My name is Timothy Feuling, and I am the president of Chiropractic Benefit Services Malpractice Insurance Program, also known as CBS Malpractice. I'm here today just to share a short video with you and encourage you to contact us either by phone or by website to get a hold of us regarding a malpractice quote and a policy comparison. So my family's been in the chiropractic profession for 40 years, and 20 years ago, we decided to start our own malpractice program that we own and that we have gone out and found the biggest underwriters to be able to come in and to support our doctors. And because of the fact that we insure thousands of chiropractors all over the country, we're able to really go in and find great underwriters because they're attracted to that book of business. And so CNA Insurance is our underwriter right now. They've had A ratings for years. I've never seen it go below that. And they're very financially stable. And they've always offered us very competitive rates, but most importantly, because I've just had too many doctors through the years that have gone through claims, most importantly, a very broad form coverage. And really, that's what matters most, Doc. At the end of the day, if you're paying me, $100 a month, and another guy comes along and says he'll give it to you for $92 a month or $70 a month, if you're not covered for the exact same things, and then you get hit on one of those incidents, you're going to be pretty upset about the fact that you're paying out of pocket on something. So the fact is that when you evaluate a malpractice program, you want to know what you're covered for, because that is the most important part of making a decision with a malpractice company is, what am I covered for? What's the financial rating of the company? Who are these people that are writing my policy in the first place? And are they going to take good care of me? When I need a policy increase or a policy decrease, or from full-time to part-time, or whatever it may be that you need to change, when I need an endorsement for my policy, when I need a deck page for a screening, are these guys going to take care of me? Okay, and those are the things that we've always looked at as our core, factors of keeping our doctors happy and making sure that all of you guys have what you need and what you want and exceeding your expectations, so that you can feel 100% confident that you can put your malpractice policy in place, and that throughout the year, if you need anything at all, you're going to have somebody there for you. So let's get back really quick to the broad policy coverage. You get full consent to settle, which means you have the right to take your case all the way to the courtroom. You get $30,000 in board dispute defense, which means you have the ability, literally, God forbid, a patient turns you into the board for something, to sit back and know that not only are we going to hire your attorney for you, but we're going to bring the attorney in that's going to take great care of you and make sure that they get your situation resolved in the best manner they possibly can. You've got full sexual misconduct defense, which means we don't put a limit on it like some companies do, where they say, well, we'll cover you for $20,000 in sexual defense, right? Or some of them wrap it all together and they put the board and the HIPAA and the sexual and everything in one package and say, well, we'll give you, $50,000 total for everything. The problem is with that is that a lot of times you can have a sexual allegation, but a sexual allegation also always turns into a board allegation, either before or after. And now you've got defense costs going out the door for both of those incidents. You need to make sure you have enough money to cover both of those. So again, we give you no limit sexual defense coverage, and we give you $30,000 in board defense. So you are squared away. I've never seen a board issue that's patient related go over $30,000 in my 15 years running this company. And so you also have HIPAA defense and $10,000 HIPAA defense for a HIPAA violation. You also have first aid coverage. You also have deposition reimbursement. This is a wraparound broad form coverage. And so that really is key. I've got 12 brokers over at my brokerage house that are making sure that your service is top notch all the time, getting you deck pages, renewals taken care of, whatever it might be. These guys are on the ball. It's the best team we've ever worked with. We've been with them now for about 7 years and really, really doing a great, great job. We also have our staff here at CBS Malpractice, our marketing and our client reps, and everyone here is fantastic. And we really do truly serve from the heart. Chiropractors are our family. And so for us, it's a very personal thing. It's not just business. And so we really want to make sure we're taking care of you. We want to make sure we're exceeding your expectations at every turn. So I encourage you to get a hold of us. We do have very competitive rates throughout the United States of America. We may not be the cheapest, guys. I never wanted to be the cheapest. I wanted to be the best coverage. I never wanted to be the biggest company. I always wanted to have the best coverage and the best client service. And I wanted to have relationships with my clients, and for my clients to know that Tim Feuling and the rest of his staff cares about you and wants to make sure that no matter what, you're taken care of. So I appreciate you. Get a hold of us. Go to cbsmalpractice.com. Find risk management articles and things there. You can contact us via the web. You can also dial us direct at 866-851-4636. Again, 866-851-4636. And please get a hold of us. Let's get you a rate policy comparison. So that way you're getting both the rate comparison and what's our policy compared to what you got. All right, Doc, appreciate you. And I hope 2010 is a very successful year for you. Be well.